how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would take you along with me while I do a little bit of decluttering, organizing, a little bit of cleaning up around the house. There's a few kind of just messy spots that I want to get to, different areas of the house. Probably won't be able to get through all of it today. So we'll see what we can get done. But different drawers, cabinets, drawers, lots of drawers. I need to organize the, what do you call it? The cupboard where we keep our food storage containers, the playroom upstairs. I want to go through Sadie's clothes. I always have a couple of boxes in the closets upstairs, and I will just add things to it to donate as I go through things over the months. So I do have a bunch of stuff already in a couple of boxes upstairs. I'll see what I can add to it today. So that's pretty much that. Come along with me. Let's do a little bit of a tidy up, a little bit of cleaning, and just refreshing the house a little bit. This is the corner of our living room that we use as a little play area for my toddler. She does have a playroom upstairs, although realistically she plays all over the house. But we have a play mat here, and this cabinet is used for toy storage. I try to rotate her toys every so often to keep things interesting. And recently I did do a declutter in here of just things that she grew out of, was no longer playing with. Our house is on the smaller side, although it feels like the perfect size for us. But I've been really thoughtful about how we use each area. Tidying up the space only takes a few minutes, but it really resets the whole energy of the room. Onto the coffee table cubbies and baskets. Honestly, I gotta give a shout out to this old IKEA coffee table that my mom used like 20 years ago. She gave it to me. It's been so durable and wipeable. It has storage, and we've just found it to be a really good table for use with a young child especially. I have a basket here with pens and paper that I use for writing out our weekly meal plans, which was a total mess, and the other baskets store some of Sadie's books. I just went through and organized this top drawer the best that I could. It was truly a disaster. I mean, there's a bunch of random things on here that I'm gonna sort. I found randomly a $25 Starbucks gift card, so that's cool. But now I just need to start working on the next drawer, which is just sort of like some crafty supplies for Sadie, and it is just a freaking mess in here. I mean, the rest of her craft supplies are upstairs in her playroom, but this drawer just becomes, I don't know, like just a crafty mess drawer.
September.
Yeah?
Yeah.
August, September.
Can you write that?
September, October.
Yeah. Can you write?
Whoops.
What are you putting in there?
I'm just putting the paints in here.
Why?
Just so they get off the tabletop. You know? What color do you want?
Red.
That's.
I'm helping you in the tidy up.
Okay, help me tidy up.
Okay. So let's go to my.
It's all here. Do you want to play with the babies at all? They've got clothes. You can put clothes on her. Did you want to do that? She's so tired. She's nice and cozy in there. Oh, so nice. Night, night, baby. All right, let's see what we've got in here. You want to help me, Sadie? Oh, look at all this stuff. I've never put you in jeans before, ever.
Huh?
Ever.
Ever?
I've just never put her in jeans. I just feel like they seem like they're always so restrictive for
There's
little
a
kids.
shirt. Well, there, look.
Oh,
Pretty.
boy. My mom had given me a big box of like all my baby clothes back when Sadie was first born, and she has been able to wear some of the things from like back in the 90s, which are cute. I think this was from that pile. They both fit in the little crib.
Can you do tapping on my stick?
I'm tapping on my sticks. I'm tapping on my sticks. Tapping, tapping, never stopping, tapping on my sticks. So here are my 2 boxes of stuff to donate that I've been filling up for the past couple of months. I actually have a box in my closet as well of stuff to donate. But yeah, we're pretty full up here. I think that this is ready to go. There's a couple of things in Sadie's closet that I want to sell, so that I'll do that separately. I try to keep my nightstand pretty clear, but I'll be honest here, it definitely piles up with, I don't even know, Sadie's toys, random receipts, hair ties, and like 3 half-drink glasses of water some days. I don't even know how. I usually just keep the essentials here and in my little drawers here. Lip balm, absolutely, always a staple. My journal, a pen, body butter. If I do have a book that I'm reading, it's in here, that kind of thing. What kind of soup is it?
Apple soup.
Apple soup? Mmm.
Do you like it?
Yes, I liked it. That's very good. There's not really much to declutter in this linen closet because I went through it a while ago and we haven't really added anything. But I do have an old tea towel. This is my random pile of stuff that needs to go back into the basement. So I am picking up where I left off a couple of days ago and moving on to a few other little spots that I want to tidy up. Okay, so this cupboard is where we have all of our food storage containers, and it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that messy, but it also kind of is. But the biggest thing that I want to do is my husband likes to make smoothies ahead of time, like for the week ahead. He makes like a bunch at a time, he stores them in the fridge, and he uses our wide mouth mason jars, and he uses the metal screw-on lids, but so many of them are all rusty now, and so I just got some of these plastic lids, screw-on lids, which I already have a few for my smaller jars. These are them, just basic little mason jar lids. Everything out of the cupboard, and I'm now just gonna go through everything and figure out what can I toss, what do we not even need. Couple things here that I'm going to donate. Sadie used these little silicone cup and plate combo here for the longest time, but this cup here, we love using lots of open cups for her. We introduced them quite early to her, but this one's just so tiny. I don't know if the camera's really showing just how small it is, but like it just doesn't hold much liquid. I'm gonna get her a couple of new cups that are a little bit bigger, so I think these are ready to be donated. Next up, I'm gonna quickly go through this drawer here that very quickly becomes quite messy. I got this little bamboo organizer for the drawer, which is kind of similar to the one that we have in the top drawer there, just to try to better organize all the stuff. This is definitely a lot more organized than it was before. It's nice to have a proper spot for these things. Something else that is very much due time for me to get rid of are these oven mitts. I have actually started to just like, you know, not fully burn myself, but definitely feel the heat through these oven mitts. They're quite old and they're obviously tearing. Goodbye, oven mitts. Also found Sadie's old soother strap or clip that we would use when she was like in the car, and we definitely do not need this anymore. The last area I want to tackle is cleaning our stairs. When we first moved in here 4 years ago, the staircase had glued on carpet pads, and even after scrubbing it off a few times, there's still some residual glue that I've been wanting to remove. And I'm just using lemon oil here actually, which works surprisingly well for this sort of thing. That is it for today's video. Thanks so much for tagging along with me and decluttering and tidying up with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave you a little bit of motivation or inspiration to do a little bit of tidying up in your home as well. And I will leave it at that. I'll see you all in my next video.